Hey friends, it's Fariba from Watch Knitting. Today I'm sharing a super cute Tic Tac Toe in the line pattern. The pattern is worked over a multiple of 5 plus 6 stitches. The pattern has 6 row repeat and you can add 4 rows of stockinette between repeats to make it pop. For my demo, I cast on 21 stitches using worsted weight yarn and 2.5 millimeter needles. I started with 1 row of ribbing, followed by 4 rows of stockinette. Begin stockinette on the wrong side, so your first row will be a purl row. When you reach the wrong side again in row 5, you are ready to start the main pattern. I'm all set to jump right in. If you would like to knit along, get your base ready and let's go. Okay, as I mentioned, I'm gonna start the pattern on the wrong side. For the edge stitches at the beginning of the row, I always pick it up. At the end of the row, I knit it. So row 1, I start by picking up the edge stitch. So we're gonna start with triple wrap purl stitch. For that, you're gonna insert your needle into the stitch purlwise and then wrap the yarn 3 times around your needle and then make your purl. This will give you a long stitch in the next row. So you're gonna make one triple wrap purl stitch, then we're gonna have 2 purl stitches. Next, we're gonna make another triple wrap purl. And last stitch from the group, we are gonna purl it. So for this row, the repeat will be triple wrap purl, 2 purl stitches, triple wrap purl, and 1 purl stitch. So I'm gonna start over again, triple wrap purl stitch, 2 purl stitches, another triple wrap purl, 1 purl stitch, triple wrap purl stitch, 2 purl stitches, another triple wrap purl stitch, 1 purl stitch, another triple wrap, 2 purl stitches, and you end with 1 triple wrap purl, and then you knit the edge stitch. So for row 1, your triple wrap purl stitches was like between each of those you had once you had 1 purl stitch, and next you had 2 purl stitches. So we finished row 1. For row 2, we're gonna slip the those wraps and just I'm gonna start with picking up the edge stitch, and I slip this long stitch here to my right needle. You unwrap it. Next, I have 2 knit stitches. When you have 2 knit stitches between the 2 wraps, you're gonna knit them. Next, I have another triple stitch. I will slip it. Now here I have 1 knit stitch. For the stitch that is just single between the 2 wraps, we're gonna make 5 stitches out of this stitch. It means I'm gonna knit once. Before letting let go, I make yarn over, go back to the same stitch, knit 1 more time, again yarn over, and knit one more time. So we created 5 loops or stitches out of one stitch. Next, I have the longest stitch or the triple wrapped. I will slip it. Then I have 2 knit stitches. I'm gonna knit those. Triple wrap, I will slip. Single knit stitch, knit 5 times. I mean knit once, yarn over, knit one, yarn over, and one more time. Knit into it. Then slip one. Next I have 2 knit stitches. Then again slip one. I have single knit stitch. I'm going to create 5 stitches. And then slip one. Next I have 2 knit stitches. I knit those. And the last triple wrap, I slip it to my right needle. And I knit my edge stitch. Row 3, we're gonna slip those slipped stitches again to right needle and purl the rest. So I start by picking up the edge stitch. Next I have the slipped stitch. I will slip without doing anything. Then I have 2 purl stitches, purl 2, again slip 1. Now I have 5 purl stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then 1 slip stitch, purl 2, slip 1, purl 5, and slip 1 again, purl 2, slip 1, purl 5, slip 1, and purl 2, and in the row width slipping the last stitch and knitting the edge stitch. Row 4, this row we're gonna make those group of 5 stitches just 1 stitch. It means we're gonna knit 5 together, and the rest will be a slip and knit stitch. So I start by picking up the edge stitch. I have my slip stitch. Still I'm gonna slip it to my right needle, then knit 2, slip another slip stitch, and now I have the group of 5 stitches. I will knit them together through the back loop. That's easier. You can make other way around, but I found it's easier to knit through the back loop. Okay. Next, I have my slip stitch. I slip to my right needle, knit 2, slip 1, and knit 5 together. Again, slip 1, knit 2, slip 1, knit 5 together, my camera is in front of my eye, so I have to see through the camera, not the actual work. It's a little harder. Now slip 1 and knit 2, and last stitch slip and knit the edge stitch. So here in this row 5, we're gonna slip and purl everything. So I'm gonna start by picking up the edge stitch, 4 slip stitches still. I'm gonna slip them to my right needle. Then I will purl 2, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, purl 2, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, purl 2, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, purl 2, and slip 1 and knit the edge stitch. Okay, row 6, which is the last row of the repeat, we already made those bubble-like pattern here. Now we're gonna work on the crosses. So our first cross will be over these 4 stitches. I start by picking up the edge stitch. Next, I have 4 stitches. What we're gonna do, we're gonna make a cross with this long stitch and this long stitch over here. The rest remains unchanged. So for that, I slide everything to my right needle. Then I pick up the first stitch, long stitch with my left needle. Then I drop the other stitches, slowly just pull out your right needle. Then again, go back to the second and third stitch, pick those up, bring back to your left needle, put it back on the left needle, then pick up the last stitch and put it on your left needle. Now they are crossed. Now we're gonna knit those in order. 2, 3, and 4. And you get that cross. Then I have my bubble like pattern. I'm gonna knit that stitch. That's a single knit stitch. And this was the repeat for the 5 stitches on row 6. So again, I have another cross here. I slip everything to my right needle. I pick up the first stitch with the left needle, pull out the right needle. As you can see, I hold the fabric with my left hand, and just slowly I pick those 2 stitches, put it back on the left needle again. Then I get the last stitch and put it on the left needle, and it's in the first order. Now I will knit everything. Again, I have 1 knit stitch before my next cross. Here, my last cross I'm gonna work. I pick up everything to my right needle, pick up the first stitch, bring it to my left needle, pick up the second and third stitch, put it back on left needle, go back and pick up the last stitch and put on the left needle. And then you knit everything in the order. And one middle stitch. Oh, I forgot, I have another cross at the end of the row. So I'm gonna show one more time here. I pick up my last one, then second and third one, and then the first last long stitch. And I end the row with my knit stitch. So we create the first pattern. This is tic-tac-toe stitch or tic-tac-toe pattern. Even you can make your bubbles right here instead of beside the crosses. And that looks a little different. So for here, I'm gonna start with purl row, knit row, purl row, knit row, and then repeat again for the pattern. And you get this cute pattern. It's nice for accessories and part of the cardigan maybe. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you try it next. If you had any questions, let me know. I will be glad to answer them. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.